Technology changes life, and artificial intelligence changes humanity. Let me share two practical AI software that I use. One can assist you with work, and the other can help you practice spoken language. They are really useful and definitely worth keeping. First, everyone knows about the popular ChatGPT 3. Recently, ChatGPT 4 has been released. It is a large natural language processing model. It can understand human intentions and emotions, and then respond to various questions. The conversation content can be creative. Moreover, it has a powerful learning ability, allowing it to continuously improve its performance, becoming smarter. GPT-4 has demonstrated human-level performance. I usually use it to help write content frameworks, generate images, write code, translate, and produce native English. See something cool. A netizen had it draw a candlestick chart where, despite the US stock market falling, Bitcoin dropped little or rose. They marked the indicators with a green background color, and it perfectly predicted this trend.
At the bottom of the 6, the brothers use ChatGPT 4, and it can improve work efficiency. There's an AI for those who want to learn English. It's a plugin, but you need a social software called Telegram. Then, search for the AI Robots account, add it as a friend, and you can start chatting with it. Not only is its pronunciation very authentic, but its grammar is also accurate, and during the conversation, it will help you correct your grammar mistakes. Keep pushing forward and don't give up. And if all else fails, there's always chocolate to make things better. What's your favorite rainy day activity? You can chat freely without fear of being laughed at, and the best part is that it's so useful and free. For those of us in the country who want to learn English but lack a language environment, we might know the words, but our grammar and sense of language aren't strong. This tool is really perfect for those who want to learn English. If you find the above content useful, make sure to save it and give it a try.